Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Okay, so I'm so excited. I think this is going to be so cute. It is another Hershey purse, and it's for the holidays. And I will leave the link below on where I purchased the template for the Hershey purse. But what I did was I just changed the color to red. We're going to do it in red. And then I just inserted a square and I put the measurements, just measured it just like that, square. And then I also went into, let's see, I typed in, let's see, I think I did Santa. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, I did Santa. I think I used this one. And what I did was just ungroup and then just kind of slide this over, and then I made it smaller. So let me go ahead and just undo that real quick to get rid of it. Okay, so that's how I got the belt buckle. And then I just uploaded Merry Christmas that I found in, Cricut Design Space. So this is what I'm going to do. I think it's going to be so cute. Okay, so I also am going to do this. So let's just move this over. I just want to make sure it's the right side. This is going to go on the back. So I'm going to do this in white. I think it'll pop pretty good in white. And we're ready to go ahead and hit make it. Let me hit save real quick. And then we're going to go ahead and hit make it. And I'm going to use red foil board for the purse for this. And I'm using a really cute glitter cardstock. And then this is a gold foil board. This I'm just using regular black cardstock because I think it might be a little bit too much if I do the glitter, but who knows, maybe we may end up doing the glitter. And here I'm probably going to do glitter cardstock, not sure. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit make it. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit on the mat, continue. And then I'm going to go ahead and load the mat with the paper. And I don't think I'm going to skip that part as far as taping it because I think it's kind of self-explanatory, or just loading it on the mat. I always tape the sides because you want to make sure that it's in place, it's not going to move. And then you just select whichever paper you're going to use. And let me see, okay, so here I haven't decided yet, but if I'm going to use glitter, I will just click glitter. And if I'm going to use cardstock, I'll just click medium cardstock. I am, though, going to use a scoring wheel, a scoring tool for this one. And if I recall, this one may take the double scoring because it's the foil board. I think it did because it's a little bit thicker. But otherwise, you would just use a scoring tool, and that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and print that, and then we're going to put it together, you guys. So we'll be right back. Okay, so we have, I printed two of them, or I cut two. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is fold this on the score lines. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and then also there is a score line right here. So there's two on every side. So now we're going to go back and then just fold it on the double. And this is going to be so cute. I just know it. So that is why I cut two, because I'm going to do two of them. Okay, so now we have this. Okay, and so the first thing I'm going to do is just this is how we're going to glue it together. But instead of gluing it first, I want to kind of apply the stuff that I want to glue first, because I think it's easier to do it that way than to putting pressure on it when it's when it is glued. Okay, so let's see. So it's kind of going to be like this. Okay, so And you want to try to not touch this very much, just because if you can see, there's little fingerprints because of the glossy foil cardstock. Okay, so the first thing we have is this. So what I'm going to do is turn this upside down, and I'm going to just kind of place a little mark pencil right here so we know where to cut it. And then let me get something straight, and I'm just going to go across. Okay, and let's get the scissors and we're going to cut it. Okay, and so let's go ahead and glue this first. And I am using a glue gun, and yesterday I burnt myself so bad with this glue gun, and I have like a little blister. I've never had it burn me so bad that I have a blister. So if you see my blister and it's gross, that's what it is, and it really, really hurts. So let's go. I'm definitely using these. I just didn't think I needed it yesterday, and I really did. Okay, so I'm going to put it center. So it's going to be like right here. So I'm just eyeballing it. But we have to eyeball it really quick because the glue dries so fast. So let's go ahead, make sure that you can see this. Okay, let's go ahead and apply some glue right here. And this is a little bit long, which is fine because I can always cut it. And actually I think that's fine too. Okay, so now we need to do the other half right here. So this time I'm going to be safer and just do this. Okay? And just line it up that way. Okay? So it's lined up like this. And then I'm going to take the black strip, and we're going to place the black strip like right here. So let's go ahead and glue that. Okay, and we have to make sure that this is down the right way. Okay, so now we're going to apply this. Okay, and this is a little bit long too, which is fine because I can cut it. It's better to be a little too long than a little too short. So let me take this off. It's going to be hard to cut with the glue thing on. Okay, so let's do this. Let's just kind of trim it. Okay, so now that's perfect. And then we will apply this. And this, yesterday when I was doing this, this is exactly where I burnt myself. I went and I turned it over to put it on here, and it flipped onto my hand and it wouldn't come off. Ah, still hurt so bad. Let's go ahead and just be careful. Okay, and make sure this is closed, and we're just going to line this up just like that. And I did most of the glue like right here, so I may have to go under there and apply it. I just didn't want to burn myself. So isn't that so cute? We're not done though. Okay, so we have the Merry Christmas for the back, and let me go ahead. I printed a couple, so let me go ahead and do this. I printed it twice, and I'm going to show you why. Like I did a repeat. Let's see. Let me see which one. Let me see. This one is done. Okay, so you can see here I printed it twice because I'm thinking, oh no, the H broke. So I printed it again, and then it looked like it broke again. And then I realized it's not broken. It's supposed to be connected like right up to the E. So that's what that is. Just so you guys know, it's not broken. It's supposed to be like that. Or the M, I don't know, one or the other. Okay, so we have Merry Christmas, and then we have the little dot for the I. Let me make sure that that one's it. Okay. And we're going to go ahead. It might be a little difficult, though, to use glue stick. So maybe I might, not glue stick, it might be difficult to use the glue gun with this. Let me see. Let's see. I think this is going to be so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll be right back. So you'll see it glued. I don't want to punish you guys with watching me burn myself. So I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going to use clear tacky. I think that might work. So not going to use the glue gun because you just have to be so fast with it. So let me get some of this glue off. Let's go ahead and do, this is just what I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this and I will be right back. Okay, so I think the tacky glue is working pretty good. It says that it takes 35 minutes for it to dry completely, and it's, of course, it's only been 5. So I'm just going to do it really carefully because I'm just impatient. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and glue this way. So I'm going to go ahead and use the glue gun. Okay, and we'll just want to make sure it lines up. And I need to kind of just push this out a little bit, just so it lines up. Let's do the other side. Okay, pull this out this way, and so I apologize, they are mowing the lawn if you hear that. And okay, so I have the chocolate bar in here, and I'm going to go ahead and place the adhesive, which you know I should have done, and I just thought of it now, is if I had let this be a little bit longer, then I could have just put it right there on the white. That would actually be a better idea. Don't you think? Like, if this was like I don't know, half an inch longer, it could just connect right there. Isn't that a good idea, you guys? But I didn't do that. So, but that would be perfect for next time. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm using these adhesive glue dots, and I got them from the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. And I am also going to add a little bit of glue once I take this off, because I think it needs that little extra oomph. Only because I've had ones in the past where if it doesn't stay, it's always this part right here. So let's go ahead and put this down here. This is so cute. Let's go ahead and take the candy bar out. And we're still being careful because it's still not completely dry. So I'm using this spool of gold chain, and I'll leave the descriptions below. I got it from Amazon. I think it's like 4 or 5 millimeters, I think is what it is. But of course I'll put that below. I don't know off the top of my head. Apply glue right here. And this little, you can see how this right here, this where it's folded. And we're gonna apply this. So, and there's no, I don't think there's any wrong or right or wrong way on what size you want the strap to be. I just kind of went around, I'm like, that looks good. So that's how I do it. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of glue right there. And then we're going to scoot this down. Then we're going to go around and do the exact same thing on this side. And this is so cute. I mean, I think it's a great gift. You could even put, like, of course the candy bar is cute to be in there, but you could even put like a little gift card in there, you know, for a teacher. I think it's cute. I would do it. So let me go ahead and put the candy bar in, and let me show you what it looks like. Let's turn the glue gun off so I don't burn myself. Okay, so this in here, and it's still a little wet, so let me try to be careful. It really you need 35 minutes, I think, for this to dry. But let me go ahead and adjust the camera and we'll check it out. I don't know how good the lighting is here, but I wanted you to get to see the full thing. Isn't this so cute, you guys? I think it's adorable. I think it's such a cute idea, and I thought of it. But I think it's so cute. Like, I mean, you could do anything here. So cute. Of course, I have to glue this again. That was like what I said. For some reason, it, you know, needs a little extra. So I'm going to have to glue that. I love it. So you guys, leave me a message below and tell me what you guys think. Do you like this as much as I do? You think it's a cute idea? Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you don't already subscribe and you think this channel is for you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. And that's it, you guys. It's so easy. It's free. So, all right. See you in the next video. Bye.